Hi, second graders. Let's look a little bit more at the OO spelling. We know that OO can have two different sounds. It can say ooh over here in the red, like in boot, ood, oof, moon, room, broom, stool, and pool. So that ooh sound. We also know that it can say the sound, like in book, foot, ook, cook, and wood, that sound. And sometimes it can be tricky to know whether that O in a word is going to say oo or So sometimes you have to try them both. So let's take a couple of words and practice using them both and seeing which one sounds right. So we have this word, DROOL. So let's first try it with the oo sound. Drool. Let's try it with the sound. Drool. So we have drool or droll. Which one do you think it is? Is it the oo sound or the sound? If you said the oo sound, you are correct. Drool has the oo sound. Let's try this word, STOOD. Let's try it with the oo sound. You try first. Stood, stewed. Try it with the sound. Stood, stood. So do you think this word is stewed or stood? This word is stood with that sound. Stewed is a word, but it is spelled differently. How about this one? SHAMPOO. Let's try it with the oo sound. You try it first. Shampoo. Shampoo. Try it with the sound. Shampoo. Shampoo. Do you think it's shampoo or shampoo? You're right, it's shampoo. Let's try this one, POOL. Try it with the oo sound. Pool, pool. Try it with the sound. Pull. So do you think it's pool or pull? Pool is right. GOOD. Try it with the oo sound. Good, good. Try it with the sound. Good, good. Which one do you think it is? It is the sound. How about this one? BROOM. Try it with the oo sound. Broom, broom. Try it with the sound. Broom. Broom. Do you think it's a broom or a broom? Broom is correct, that oo sound. Try this one, WOOD. Try it with the oo sound. Wood, wood. Try it with the sound. Wood, wood. Is it wood or wood? You're correct, it's wood with the MOO. Try it with the oo sound. Oo, moo. Try it with the sound. Muh. Do you think this word is moo or muh? Definitely moo. How about shoo? Try it with the oo sound. Sh, oo, shoo. Try it with the sound. Sh, sh. Do you think this word is shoe or sh? Shoe, shoo is shoe. So sometimes when you see that oo in a word, if you don't know for sure which sound, try both sounds and see which one makes sense. Happy reading.